over there, past the ridge. Do you see it?
Ooh, I see it!
Ooh, that is unbelievable! It's okay, don't be scared. We're here to help you. The rock is too heavy. I need help now. Hold on, little one. You're safe now. It's okay, I've got you. Don't worry, little one. You're not alone anymore. This symbol, it must be the treasure location. So if we follow this path, it should lead us straight there. Then we'd better hurry. Look at this place, it's incredible!
It looks dangerous, Bee. We should turn back.
No, we came this far. We have to see what's inside.
I can't believe what I'm seeing. It's absolutely breathtaking. It's unreal. I cannot believe this is real. Look at it all. We found the treasure. We are rich. This is
The ceiling's collapsing.
We have to get out of here right now. Look out, it's coming down. Ah! What do we do?
We're gonna die. Penguins, they came back. They're here to help us. We're saved. I knew they wouldn't leave us behind.
Just one more box. Can't stop now. Work needs to get done no matter how tired I am.
This movie's pretty good. Pass me the chips.
Come on, come on. Don't lag now. Okay, nice. Wait, what? No, stay focused. I can do this.
Whoa, did you see that? She's incredible. Seriously, that performance is on another level. Yeah, no wonder everyone's watching. Total star.
Did you hear what they just said about us?
Yeah, they crossed the line.
I tried. I really did. But no matter what I do, they still look down on me. Look at me. I am way too skinny. No strength, no presence. People don't even take me seriously.
If I want change, I have to earn it. It's hard. Some days I want to quit. Enough. I've spent years chasing this, pages, data, theories, and nothing changed.
That's enough. I'm done with this. No more excuses, no more shortcuts. I want real change. It starts now.
I've wasted enough time. Controllers, consoles, all of it. This isn't who I want to be anymore. I'm choosing something better.
Come on, keep going. One more rep. Don't quit now. Breathe. Focus.
I'm exhausted, but I didn't quit. That was hard, really hard. Still, I gave it everything I had. We showed up. We pushed through. That counts. I'm not who I used to be, and that's a good thing. It wasn't easy.
Hi, everyone. It's so amazing to see you all today.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming out today. Seeing all of you here really means the world to us. Your support keeps us going. We wouldn't be here without you.
Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate your support.
Back off. She's not alone. You're not going any closer. If you want to get to her, you'll have...
Hey, it's okay. Stay behind me. You're safe. I've got you. Take a breath. Look at me. You, step back.
Hey, it's okay.
You don't have to be strong right now. I'm here with you. Take your time. I didn't think we would, but we did. Together. No matter how hard it was, we never gave up on each other. Thank you, truly. We appreciate it so much.
I know this amazing place right over there. We should go grab a bite.
Oh my gosh, yes, I am starving. Let's go.
Yeah! Bravo!
Help! Somebody help me!
You should have seen the look on the bear's face when I offered him the berries.
He actually ate them.
I can't believe you did that. Careful, it's hot. I think it's ready now.
It smells amazing.
What do you think?
It's incredible.
Wow, this is quite heavy. It's all yours. Fantastic! I can't wait to drive it.
This is amazing. I can't believe how fast we're going. How was that? How was that?
That's enough. You're under arrest. What?
You can't do this. Let go of me.
We did it! We actually won!
I can't believe it. Thank you.
It just isn't the same without them. I wish they were still here.
Why? Why did you take them from me? I should have been the one to go, not them.
How dare you steal my cookie again! I am going to make you pay for this! Why are there so many holes here? Did someone do this on purpose?
You thought you could get away with it, didn't you? Well, think again. It's time for your beating.
I can't believe it. My favorite bat is gone. It just broke in half.
I've got it. I know exactly how to fix the stick. We can use this vine as a bandage.
It started out great, but now I just feel awful.
I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me.
Look at that view! Nothing beats flying high above the city in my pink plane. Hey, Pigeon! I challenge you to a race! What do you say?
What is happening? I don't understand. Why are they chasing me? I swear I didn't do anything wrong. Why did this have to happen to me? It's just not fair.
All right, these are secure. Keep your balance low, and you're good to go. I know you feel very sad right now, but everything is going to be all right.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I cannot believe this!
No, please don't leave me. I can't do this anymore.
Finally, the beach! I can't wait to jump in! Floating on the water, soaking up the sun, having so much fun today. Help me! Somebody help me, please! It's gonna get me!
What are you doing?
You scared me! I'm a shark!
Ooh.
How dare you scare me like that? I genuinely thought you were going to eat me. Come on, I know that's not real.
I wish I had told you how I felt. I am so sorry for everything. I miss you so much.
I wish I could take credit, but I got them from that new bakery downtown.
I'm just so happy right now. This is the best afternoon.
Absolutely. Everything feels perfect today, doesn't it?
That is the most amazing wig I have ever seen.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I am thrilled to introduce this gorgeous new synthetic lace front, featuring our signature shimmer fibers.
Look at that loser! You really thought you could beat me?
Here you go.
I'm really looking forward to this.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate your business.
I'm so excited to finally give you this. It's the invitation to the launch party.
Wow, thank you. I'd love to come.
This party is absolutely wonderful, isn't it?
It really is. I'm so glad we came. Cheers. This is incredible. I can't wait to see what's inside.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time to turn up the volume and let the rhythm. My name is Alex, and I'm here to make this the best night ever.
He can outdance me.
I don't think so. I know so.
It is my absolute pleasure to introduce the stars of tonight's show. Welcome, ladies.
I have prepared these delightful strawberry cupcakes just for you tonight. I hope you enjoy the show. Here, try one of my famous pink cupcakes.
They are absolutely delicious.
I told you to eat the cake. Open your mouth. Can you bubble?
You seem to be enjoying that cake immensely, but I asked you a question. Where did you get it? Eat the mochi right now.
But I can't eat anymore. I'm full.
Because I am thrilled to introduce my co-host tonight. Please give a huge welcome to the incredible...
Trust me, this partnership will change everything for both of us. Are you in?
I was hesitant at first, but I see your vision now.
I have something special for you.
Whoa!
What? How did that happen? This is incredible. Thank you so much. I love it.
They really did. It makes me so happy just looking at it.
You better stay away from here. We're not letting you ruin this.